Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to make crawling text animation in Capcut. First, open Capcut, then import your video. Then import a black stock video from library. Now crop this with this crop tool. And move it here like that. Then select text and add to the timeline. Then write your text here and do some corrections. Then move the text here and select the black video and add animations. Then select the text. From here, click on keyframes and then drag the text to the end. Here is the preview. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.